Shalom Israel, Shalom Elohim. Peace be unto you all. There's one pastor that called me, threatening me because I expose what is happening in the church. I said, if anyone build a hotel, charges people 500,000, 100,000, 200,000, 50,000, that pastor or prophet is a thief. How can you buy oil? Maybe 5,000. I sell it to your member, 100,000. I have once bought oil for 100,000 naira. This is my oil, this is my water. It's not for sale. I'm only giving it to my partners. And whosoever that came when I do program, I've never said water. I dash it free and I use it to pray for, minister to the poor. Because 2017, God let me know that I cannot sell water, I cannot sell oil. That's when our engineers are born things of TB, Joshua, and Jeremiah, and Buchiri, and so many men of God. That thing I bought is cost is not less than 3 to 4 million naira. The items I bought. I have once bought oil from Jeremiah called King. He said, okay, King Solomon, 100,000, one oil. I bought oil of 40,000, I bought oil of 30,000. I bought water of 70,000, small water. So why I mention this is so you will not think we're just talking in front. I've stayed in a hotel of 150. There's also a hotel of 500,000. There's also a hotel of 75. It depends on the place. Even TV just started, the TV just have pay with dollar. It started from $100, $200 hotel, and they have to book reservation before coming. Now, why do I have to say this? Why I'm trying to say this because you cannot be fooling my people. Okay? It cannot be deceiving us. You think we don't know these things? You see some pastor coming out, anybody charge money, say fake. He's a thief. They are the one thief. They're just trying to manipulate your mind so you see them as sent. Number one, anybody that have hotel is a thief. Why are you building hotel? Why wouldn't you allow one of your son or your pastor to build a hotel? Hey, or your son or your daughter to build a hotel? You want to own the church. You want to own water. You want to own oil. You want to also own hotel. So what will be your church member go come get? Your church member knows sabi make money. The same poor people who contributed the money for you. The same poor people who you now build a hotel. The same member who cannot afford to pay for the hotel. And you tell me you're a prophet, you're an evangelist, or you're a pastor, you're a thief. That is how the year will start. Now, let me make this thing clear. This broadcast, I will be saying it because I'll throw more light if you ask me. Because people call me this morning and say, I should throw light. Somebody call me and say, take your time. No, we're going to kill you. We're going to do this. I was threatening this morning. I laugh. I said, if you have to know me first, you should know who you're talking to. I'm not a kid. Go before you start threatening me, go and make inquiry who I am. I am Prophet David Yahweh, the spiritual warlord. In 2006, I was shot 7 bread by Nollywood people. And we fought as a man, we scattered everywhere. Ask question. Till today, it's in the history. If you don't know that one, you know me and Apokoko, 2022. Ezobe and the Mine will go and go on. I shot them down. But put in say Jesus. If you don't know that, we know the one of Mbaka and the Ebukobi and the go and go on. So threatening me cannot do anything. The thing is, I vow with my life not to lie to my people. So I cannot watch you to come and manipulate people. So I want them to see other people as fake, see you as a real. Who told us you're real? What in the criteria that you say, yeah, if anybody that have crowd what? Or maybe tell you, it's your only church that have crowd more than other church. No, Roman Catholic Church is the church of God. No, tell me, he said if anyone have the kind of crowd they have, he say you drop his Bible. Or let me tell you, Roman Catholic Church is the worst church in the world and they have the highest crowd. No, tell me who will stand Pope. Tell me who the popular past Pope in the world. If you want to check it. If any church is more popular. See, occultic church are more popular than any other church. Because Bible said, woe into the earth because the devil have come. Why I'm making this video? So you see the avenue, the criminals, how they make their money. Now, I vow not to lie, not to deceive anyone. If you want evidence, I will show you evidence. I vow not to lie to my people. If you want evidence, I will show you evidence. There is a girl. The girl is a Roman Catholic follower. I will mention the church. This one. She came all the way from America for 100 days fasting and prayer. That was last year. There are many like that. Just that some I don't even want to pray for them. When I tell them, so they say, I don't want to appear on the camera. I don't want to call my husband. I say, please go to your church. I brush them. Because this is what they do. After coming to do 21 days finish, you spend all your money. If you find out that sickness did not go, they now tell you, okay, call the Yahweh. It will now begin to call the Yahweh who does not have sense. And they have went to lodge in a hotel. Let me use one person. So if you need evidence, I'll look for the video. That video is on my page that have been hacked. But I think I still have the video. I can still have the, if you want, I call the person put on the camera. So there's evidence. Because this lady came all the way from America. He take a leave. He spent like a month paying for hotel. Along the line, her money finished. He could not pay again. You now go and live, stay in someone's house. That's one of their friends. He spent almost $3 million on that journey. Then when she now went back to America, one of her friends, that one is a pastor. You remember that a pastor that I prayed for in America that government paid for their house. I'll put the testimony. I never put the testimony. Government paid for the house. It's her daughter. That one left her from America and come to Nigeria. Spend over how many million and go back. I have thousands of them like that. But I want to use one person to analyze this thing. So at the end of the day, she joined partner. And we did that problem because she was facing witchcraft attack. For many years, she was not with her husband. They're having problem for about 3 years or 4 years. So when I do the prayer, I saw something left. The witchcraft attack started. They now reconcile with their family. So I even pray for all their daughters. I think I have that one. I think it's on this video or the other page they hacked because they have been hacking my page. I think it's that one they hacked. I have many pages, they hack it. Why are you hacking my page? Because of the truth. And you claim you're a man of God. Any man of God who hack my page, your family, your children, all of you will suffer for not to want people to know the truth. So if whatever I say on this page, challenge me anywhere in the world with the Bible. Show me God said, Jesus came and scattered everywhere. Say, I cannot make my house the house of my father, a house of merchandise and thieves. That's why Jesus Christ destroy everything, scatter pigeons, scatter things. Now, somebody take this oil. This oil that could not cost more than 5,000. I don't sell it, I give it free. I used to send it to people before. That is why I'm making their faith to believe in this thing. There's a power. I can put power inside this thing. I can put power in anything. I can put power in the same water that you have in your house. Many of my partners, they don't see me. I ask them to get that water. So most of those water that is in your house now, many of you, some joint partner with 50,000. Only that water, I bought water 70,000. It's not part of oil. I bought oil for 100,000. Calculate it. I have paid for hotel 150K. Calculate it. I have enter transport, enter freight. Calculate it. In one trip. After going for that trip, come back. Attack where they want to kill me. Now, many people are being frustrated because of this thing. Let me tell you, it's better for somebody to charge you money and do the right thing for you and you'll be free than somebody to manipulate you. See how they manipulate you. You come in a room. If you go to Babarara Mountain, there's a hotel there. Somebody say, does it mean pastor cannot be the hotel? Pastor can be the hotel. Church can be the hotel, but it will be like a hostel. That hotel should not be cost more than 2,000, 5,000, maybe 2,000 for maintenance. It's just you have to be like a camp. Let them know they come for prayer. It's there. There's still some mountain that even started this movement of Pentecostal. Till today, they don't collect money. The money they collect is they will be asking for seed. They will asking for tithe. They will asking, but there's some people who don't have that. They will still sleep. They will not tell them to go outside. We know a case of one woman that come for a program. The woman that became die, the woman died for road. Is it not because of some frustration? The woman doesn't have money to pay for hotel. He came all the way from here. He died in Lagos. So when we talk all those things now, you come out and you be open mouth to talk. If we will knock you one now, you go begin to cry. They call police. And now they come in for food. But now they talk. What is spiritual work? In the Bible, they don't kill cow. They don't kill cow for Bible. They don't kill ram for Bible. They don't do many things for Bible. Is it not there? You're not a prophet. How can an evangelist become, I want to become a prophet? Can you keep holy? You don't know that prophet does not own church. You don't know that evangelist does not have right to own church. You don't know. You don't know that evangelist, you're telling a woman cannot church. A woman cannot. Evangelists have no right to have any church. I'm an apostle, an evangelist, and a prophet. I have gone to preach in Anambra State free. If you like, I bring the miracle. I'll preach in the main market free. Do you know what it takes somebody to travel from Lagos to East to go and preach free? I'll preach in Nimbuka free. Spend millions. I'll preach in Enugu State free. I'll preach in Noka free. I'll win many souls. Convert people that they are criminal, they are chopping human being. I'll preach in Obi Weka. I'll preach in Ocha, they are free. I'll preach in Lagos, Ladipo, free. I'll preach in Siemens, free. I'll preach in Naija, free. Name them. But you, because you're a thief, you only one place, try to build auditorium of 10 million people because you're a thief. If you're not a thief, you will not have that mindset of being one place. Me and you know, if you're moving around, you will not even want to build a house because that's why I show you, but they don't build a house. Because if they go to Abuja, they rent a place and do that and go. So my mission is different. Now me, they're supposed to contribute money to do because I am the one that do the work of Jesus Christ. Show me where you have traveled from street to street, from city to city to go and do miracle. With the kind of power I have. If one person will come and open mouth and make other people to see, let me tell you, any church that have crowd, that have hotel, run for that church, that is the church of Satan. Bible will say 2, 3 people. 2 and 3 people is recognized. It's not about crowd. Human people bury human being inside church to get crowd. People join occultic and fraternity to get crowd. People join Ogboni and Freemason to get crowd. People join Illuminati to get crowd. People join many things and many idols and many fraternity to. So don't be deceived by crowd. Even me and you, if there's a way a crowd, I will run. Because if you go to a man, Babalola, people that started Pentecostal, they don't have crowd there. And that's the really where God is. Not that's the way God is. You will see that God is here. When you come to the mountain of the Yahweh, the most powerful altar in the world, I don't allow people to come there. Why? Because of God said, protect your altar. Some people have an altar and don't call to measure or politicians will come and dance in the altar. People that kill human beings and all those thieves will come and dance in the altar and they say it's a holy altar. What kind of altar is that? Some women have even sacred altar more than the altar of the Korean altar of God. When you have a marine kingdom, when you have any church you see Mary there, where they bow down to Mary, run for your life. If not, you die on that attack. I can't deceive my people. I can't fool anyone. This is my stand. I remain my stand. That's why, see my water. Water of life. This water was sold for over how much? Any amount, like then. More than 10 years ago, we said this water. I'm going to do new water. That water will come out to Dr. Chukwu, the Caribbean miracle. It's not for sale. It's just for impact people. I never say I don't sell water. I stopped selling water 2016. You think it's today I started? You see this thing? Okay. You see the name that is on this water? See it now. Let me now show you. This was my church before. Victory in Christ Miracle Ministry. It was Sunday. See it? This water is you sold. We sell it in the church. That's how we make money. So I want to tell you now, we sell it because how much is tithe and how much is offering? People will come and put it. This water they will buy 5,000, 10,000. You see money. So this so don't think we don't know those your game you're praying. Last, let me just explain it to you. If any man of God that I'm offending, I cannot offend you because we have to speak the truth. So that is it. You stay in your altar, you will say other people are fake. So let us defend you. So we know, and then on the day we begin to know fake. When I told you the Catholic Church is the church of setup, he said, no, I'm talking. Now, Pope have come out and declared, let women marry women, let men marry men. So who is fake now? Thank you very much. It's a pastor. No, you see, it's not like he cannot sell water or something. But don't make this thing to look like without this water, people cannot be you. If you have come to my program, I did a program in Lagos, a lot of miracle. I did it. If you have come and sell water, come out, bring the proof. My guy that come from Germany, that come from Germany, I did not say this water for them. My guy that come, my son that come from Angola, the guy that come from America that bought it, I did not say, I do it as a gift. Because what is here is so powerful. But if I can ask you to still get your own, I pray for you the same thing. The same people in America, they came, they say, okay, hey, you have all this oil. The guy say, okay, this one I spent almost 4 million, I don't have money again. I need the water. Send me something now. Because now they have belief in the oil and water. Because I asked them to, all those nonsense oil you buy, throw it away. I asked the oil. He said, no, this is expensive. I spent over how many dollars? And I said, since you have that oil, did your life change? Did the sickness go? He said, no. I said, pack all those things out throw away. He had both black soap he gets from different prophets. You throw it away. So after throwing it away, I now pray for. I said, get water, buy fresh oil and fresh water. Most of you see the same thing. Most of my partners they don't know me. Because you are making your water now to look like if it's not your own, it's fake, Abby. You're a thief. So are you the one that created the water? This water shouldn't be sell even 1 naira. Any person that sell water is a thief. Anyone that sell oil is a thief. Go to Babara, don't know to sell water. If you come in, you fetch water and go. Remember that if Fadele don't use to sell water, he used to, when he's coming, remember those days when a man of God will come, will carry water, go make the brace for us. Do you remember those days? So now one person will now come and tell you, if you know be this water, other ones are fake. If you know be in church, other ones are chukuba. You're the highest occultic and occultism. I know they call anybody name. I don't have advice, but I shouldn't call it. So let me talk to the person I want to talk. You know, he's one talking to. You know, it's a fake. Anyone that submit to Pope, they say when the foundation be destroyed. Thank God, there's a man of God here. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Anyone watching, please let me know who is watching. Let me know where. Well, God, man of God, they'll say, I am a pastor, but you are speaking most truth on some of your issues. Thank you very much. Man of God, God bless you. Now, I'm making this video now not to benefit me. I'm making it to hit those people who claim they are the real man of God because of what? Maybe they have tried. Because of what? They are not collecting money. They are selling hotel. Do you know what it is to sell a hotel? Well, a room a night, 500,000. I don't want to be mentioning the name of the Lord. If you want to have, who can tell you, they will give a different name. They will give a different name. So now, if you don't want to have, if you don't have money, go for the lower one. 75,000, 50,000. They have the one of 500,000. That one, if you pay for the one of 500,000, the man of God now will now come and see you inside the room. Why? Because of what? You have used the money to buy. So other people can come and finish and go. But we want to mention those things so they will know that we know. But it's just that for you to know that we know those things. If you come for any man of God that sell hotel for you long away, that is a strategy. You can't see that man of God. Because if that man of God make himself easy, this is how they package it. You forget I have run one of the biggest movements. I have run one of the biggest church ever. I have done program with a mobile with different. I've impacted many Pentecostal pastors, especially in Anambra State. I've impacted many pastors, but they cannot be out to say I am not impacted. That's why I say I'm not impacting anybody again. If I want to impact somebody, now maybe for you in London, if I come to London, I will impact. I will know the ones I impact. We'll put you on your video. If I go to America, I will impact people. If I start now, I will talk Africans. I will impact people. You confirm it. I impacted many people. But many of them now, what got me angry, there's one program I did in Anambra State 2018, 17. We did that program, thousands of people could raise money. When they finished, they gave me 1 million naira. I said, no, they should add it to their church. I don't want to take money. Now, my anger is there. My phone went off. I was using one small phone then. One, it has no light. Where I'm building my mountain, there's no light. So they called me. So I started working from morning to evening, doing deliverance, doing healing. When I finished, people on their own time, they raised money, almost 1.something million. They gave me like 1 million. I can't wait. So I didn't take the money. I said they should add it to their church because that church, they have not painted. Do you know why I get angry with this? Do you know why I get angry with the pastor? The pastor may be watching it. Because they're coming for their 10 years anniversary, I said, I'm not coming. So this pastor, you know what the pastor do to me? This means see that my pastor I shout and say, this pastor, They brought money, give me money, I'm not gonna lie, give me money, I don't collect the money because I say no, I don't need it. Let them use it to add to their church because they did a program. So and I said, me, I came to help people in my because it's Anambra State. But what this guy did that make me angry is this. I parted this pastor, no camera, no video. So he can prophesy on that program. He come to meet me. He say, how much is it gonna want to be prophesied? This I say, okay, no problem. Because I say, come in the night. Come in the night, I will impart you. So tomorrow all of us will minister. When I minister finish, you go minister. Or you go minister finish, I go minister. Anyhow I want that. But you go see miracle. Things go happen. So the pastor comes tell me, make you come, make you do one spiritual prayer for the place. Make you buy Fanta, buy all those things, make you do something. As I know they do all those kind of things. It just last. When the time reach, you go see the power. The angels will come down. Thank God they saw the angel when the angel come down. He saw angel Raphael. The time I started to, he's using mouth to say, there's angel Raphael here. Use the mouth to see the angel. So now, when I do I started from like 10 o'clock, that was Saturday, finish around 5. What pains me, that was one of my miracles where I have done, because we promoted the program. I bring out some money, 200,000. So you bring out like 500 or something, or more. We promote it in the Otiba. There's one radio station in Otiba. We promote it in one other station. We promote it. So I said, okay, since it's Oka and I'm in Oka too, so let us promote it. So when people come finish, they can go to it, or if they want, they can go. Because I know they do church. They can go there. So I said, okay, let us do it. Say, if they want to go, I tell you, if you're looking for me, I can come there, it's my brother. Because me, I know the day Lagos are the travel. So okay, then my brother will do the same thing. Whatever I do, he can do it. I don't want them to come and start calling me on phone. I didn't collect my phone. My phone don't offset. So I will not have enmity. Now we do the program finish. Before I start the program, I say make we face on the ground, pour drink. I said no, I know they do all this kind of thing. Last, you will see power. Then you never know me, so I don't know. Maybe that's how they do that one. I don't know. It's okay. I say, go walk now. Sure, they see my miracle. That's why I come in. You walk, you go see him. I don't give you the power. You know, say you go prophesy. Now, when I don't enter the spirit, we don't charge. We don't sing. When I don't prophesy, I hear one woman, deliver one woman, my snake, I deliver. I do deliver. I can't say, okay, come. Okay, I go find the picture. I go find picture when me and him there together. You go see some picture when say people there around. I go find picture, but they don't agree. The video, they don't agree give me. Then what happened in the video? You know, when they hear miracle, people now begin to come everywhere full. We are more than how many thousand people? I say, okay, give me video. I when we finish, I go. Because of the crowd where they I can't just enter motor, I will drive, go. So from there, I travel, go Lagos. I come to Lagos, they call this person, send me video of the program we do. He said, they go find her. And so, he later come tell me, say the phone get problem. Say the thing don't wipe. I don't see this thing for television for one place. I don't see her for Facebook. Why? Because of what? He saw the power that I have. Greediness, jealousy. Now that one, God say, don't go to any other church. They are planning, because that time they don't invest. They say I'm coming to East to scatter their, how I go do this kind of miracle finish, I don't collect money, because they go call money, collect money, come. You see, if you don't talk about money, I am one of the cheapest prophets with my level. Now my mate, they pay 1 million to see. Let me tell you. If you want to talk about prophets now in the whole world, not only Africa, who they perform miracle for America? Show me the person. Who they perform miracle for South Africa? Show me the person. Who they perform miracle for Nigeria? Show me the person. If you want to talk about Nigeria now, number one prophet will be saying that people they fear that TB don't show. When he died alive, people they see, you know, but TB don't not do kind miracle I do for street. Miracle where they do now for church, they go package up. Me at the enter street because I collected law power. I say I want to prove to people. When I finish, I will look for some miracle I performed 10 years ago. I will show you. No one inside church. Not inside church. I have the one. I'll show you. I'm not here to brag. But if since that 2017, where God send me here, if I want praise building my congregation, do you think I will not have crowd that will fool the whole Lagos? Now, there's a different thing. Somebody say, yeah, anyway, but I have this kind of crowd that they have. What kind of crowd do you have? Because you want praise. Okay, move from Imo State to Anambra, move from Anambra to Enugu, move from Enugu to Abuja. Let me know if that crowd will remain. Everyone was scattered. That means you have done the work of Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ never said one praise to say, no, Jesus Christ is moving around, doing good. So I I am a man. That's why I say I am Jesus and I find. Because that's why I say I am Jesus and I find. I can prove that thing that Jesus do. Even if I cannot do all. But I can do some. And I have done some. It's not about making mouth. It's not about prophecy. Me and you know that idol can see. Marine kingdom can prophesy. Occultic can prophesy. So don't move by it. That's why I don't really do much prophecy. When I pray for you, finish. At least as I'm doing, I have like some people who say my partner. If what I'm saying is lie, tell me it's lie. At least she can say partner. He meets me. When you meet me, I prophesy to you and I told you, and you will see the thing by yourself. My own, I will pray for you. The angel will go and show you your problem. If the problem is being solved in that dream, it's solved. If it's not solved, it's not solved. That is how to know prayer. Nobody that I pray for that doesn't see revelation. That's to show God. Because he cannot have a encounter with God and remain the same. Now, we have 1 million congregation that come to look for you. Inside that, see, we know all those games. Don't forget I'm a prophet. I went to a school of prophet. I have ordained like 3 times. Yes, I am ordained prophet. I'm ordained as 3 times. Because of confusion, I was ordained. I come and ordain myself. Because of confusion, I ordained 3 times. I'm ordained prophet 3 different times. Because of confusion. And then all those ordained are nonsense. And the first one, the boy will say, I ordain, I be the real ordination. Now, somebody will come and plan his own pattern, how he will take it money. If he say, sons and daughters, I want to do a donation, they will pack money to 200,000. 100,000 times 1,000 people. Calculate it. Cash. Is it not million, billion? Inside that money, all of you will pay for hotel. Now, you put 100 days fasting. Why are you putting 100? Because of your hotel. So when people come, they will not be able to see you. They will stay in a hotel. Now, if you're not making gain, if you not have hotel, you find a way to do that program 2 days, so they will go back. But because you have a hotel, they want them to come and remain that prayer to 21 days, 17 days, 40 days. That's why when I'm doing prayer, I say, you know, you won't even know. I know those things. I don't want to make my people, you will run away, you will come in, travel. Some will die, some will have problems, some will fail. You abandon your business and you're in years or house. You know, if you bring out one portion, do altar. What made that altar there different? Tell him we are connected to the altar of the Yahweh. I have connected you to be working in your house. These are simple things. See, let me tell you. You see, okay, you see only a clean cow, blood on people's body. And you now go to idol, it has inside of it. What you do, initiating those people into that idol, it may work for them, but all of them must have repercussion. That water, you go there and do the same thing, the Manipulative kingdom. Now, I know I've teach you people how to collect idol. If I want to collect any idol now in Igbo Land, I will go and collect it. But I don't need it. I know this, I can seize the idol. How to collect idol now? If you say, somebody, if I want to make the somebody come, they follow me. Nothing there. Mary na moment water. Now the same thing. What does it take? Okay, make a talk. So if any traditional person want to watch, you gonna say we know those things. Now I've talked the one for pastors. We come to traditional people. Traditional is very, very dangerous and very deep. Idol is very, very dangerous and very deep. Moment water is very, very deep. Moment water can kill generation to generation. But if I tell you now, you will not agree. You say, I'm fighting Omenala. I don't fight Omenala. That is not Omenala. Moment water not be Omenala Ndi Igbo. I will tell you, if you want evidence, I'll show you. I've delivered many people from Marine Kingdom. Not be to fall down and breaking city. You go hear the people, they're going to talk. Go that place, go bring out the demon. So I go kill the demon, I go show you. I go bring those videos, I go show you, I go cut them small if I have that power. Because of what? What I do is very, 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 very technical and very, very, very risky. And that's why I don't carry much crowd. I don't even need it. Because of what? This is my page. One account was having problem. And I get IT boys. I gave them my account to recover it. And I lost my 10 pages. You see it? Who will you own now? Because when I try, we'll try this one, we'll try this one, I'll try this one. But if it's when I use my hand to handle it, I will know that I would have just forget that one that rust. I'll continue. But I want to give people to help me to recover my page. And I rust all my accounts. Do you know I have pages that are almost like 5 years, 10 years, they can sell it up to 1 million naira. You see how this so, but to who will you owe? Because not one person touch the account. So that's it. So if you're doing something, sometimes say, get somebody, nobody say no few people. But what I'm doing is very, very technical, and most of people are saboteurs. So most of people don't even want to work. Most of boys now, they're very greedy. Anybody can bribe them. So if you have that long throat, you can't even do what I'm doing. What I'm doing is very, very hard. Even my wife said alone sometimes. Because when they see the problem, they come. Because, what do you mean this? But before I choose this thing, I was inside prison. I will go to the police station where I was arrested. Now what happened? Somebody killed somebody. I give a prophet. When I come and review to them what killed the person, I said, this is the woman that killed the family. They now want to arrest me. They say, how I should come and prove it? They didn't know that I have some video when the girl was alive. But I warned the person. Say, since they're planning to kill you, be careful what you eat. They give her poison. So when the person now died, I wasn't there. So I got angry. When I got there, I now say it's in one church. I now went to that church where she died. We'll take her to hospital from there. They said they should transfer it to this thing. Because I know it's not hospital. So it's attack is coming. I traveled that time. So when she was sick, she went to a church. Where a problem starts is a pastor. I don't even know the church. Would I go to that church? When I traveled to East, now this my daughter, and I went to. I've not imparted them then. They are just like a new convert. I made them on the bus when I used to preach. Then I'm going to Opchuli. I'll go from here to Ushuli to go and preach. If I'm coming back, I'll preach inside BRT. That time they used to have BRT. That was 2014? Yeah, 2014, 15. That time you can preach. But 2016, 17, they don't ban them. You can't preach in BRT. That time they can preach inside BRT. So I will be preaching. I want to go to that. I will preach inside bus. I'll stand. I'll preach. I'll pay for tickets. I'll preach. Go to bus, then preach coming back. So when I'm preaching, what I'm saying is part of their problem. So when I start, they want to collect my number. That's how I got to know that girl. So when I'm preaching about witchcraft, so she said, yes, that snake used to bite her. Snake used to bite her in the dream. Sometimes the thing will make her see very real. And I invited her. She said, at the market, they go that one. It's her uncle that doing this. And uncle collected her uncle that is in Night of St. John, collected the girl heart and give to. I'm holding and collect get destiny and give to our own children. I think I have some videos for it, not all. But the day will recover the thing around 12 o'clock. When I'm doing the devil, God said they're going to come around 12 to attack me. So I should wait outside. So that 12 o'clock is when we fight and collect the girl heart. How do they collect the girl heart? They make this girl to go and fornicate. When this girl fornicate, when he fornicate, she got pregnant. When I got pregnant, the man now gave the girl money to go and remove the baby. The day she did abortion, immediately she did abortion, finish, fire came and take her heart. So that's why some people will be your enemy, but you will think they're helping you. So be careful of who you trust. Yes, be careful of who you trust. I'm writing a book. My book will come out very soon. I have a about Black Jesus. I'm bringing out a book about Black Jesus and the 70 type of witchcraft. So I'm bringing 2 books before the end of this year. But I'll bring out Black Jesus. Then I'll bring out 70 type of witchcraft. There's love witchcraft. Love witchcraft is the one that you think they are helping you. They are helping you. How are they helping you? No. Anybody collect money say, Ebukobi should show us 5 years ago, 10 years ago, where he talk say, if anybody collect money, that way never be the hotel. That way never get member. That way still they can find a way to buy land. Make it sure. That way there for a solo. From a solo, that way there for one room. Where there for person backyard. Make you show us where you preach that thing. But this man preaching now will show you when I started. Because I'm not a poor prophet. But what we see wrong, when we see error, why are we saying all this thing? Please, can you share this thing? Share the telecast. Click love and click like, click love and click like. Tag them, tag everybody. Tag all the pastors, tag anybody. Let them come and defend what I'm saying. Anybody that say, please just kindly share it. Thank you very much for watching. I'm very busy this period and I have so many things I'm doing. Kindly share, please. This is very important because this is how they deceive our people. And this is why people fail in going to church. Because after they spend all those millions, lodging in a hotel, Some travel for America, some travel from Canada, some travel for UK, some come all over Angola, some come and stay 20 days, 30 days, 70 days, waste all their money in the hotel and buy many material things, go back, nothing happen. Tomorrow, if they see pastor, they call us fake. So this is very, very important. Let us address it. Now, kindly share, follow my page. This is my new page. Please, if you have not follow, because I have a page that is 70,000, it was hacked. I have a page that is 30,000, 35,000 was hacked. This is a new page. So I'm just starting again. So please, if you know, just tag your friend, follow, and share it. This is what we're going to be bringing out the message. My ministry page is called Zion City of the Yahweh Synagogue. This page that is more of like African Jesus, Black African Jesus. I want to be teaching some history. I'm going to be bringing some videos, and I'm going to be doing tour. I'm going to be touring many places. Ghana, Africa. I'll go Africa first. I canceled many trips last year for like America. I will do those ones, but I want to do Africa. I will do Africa. Togo, Ghana, this one, different. Nigeria, Abuja, I will do tour. I will do. You will see power. I will do it this year. Starting from this. When I have a lot of work I'm doing. So next Saturday, we didn't start again this week. I didn't have time to go to our place. But next Saturday, I will go to open our place. So if you're in Lagos, you don't need to pay money to see me. You don't need to do anything to see me. It's free. You come and join to pray. That if something that you need to do is different. If you need to do something, know that me, I don't do, most of my prayer is more of a messy prayer. Now, if you have gone to do Okite before, you have gone to Church of Satan before, you have joined Occult before, now I want your prayer to answer fast. What are you going to do? You join partner and do Salaka. Know that things are expensive. We used to collect this thing like maybe, like unbelievable before was about at something that right now is almost 70,000. Things are very expensive. I don't even know. This year, I don't. Somebody comes and say, how much is spiritual work? I say, I don't know. Things are expensive. People used to give 10,000. You can't give them 10,000. People will give 50,000. If you give them this, they will eat it. They will not do the work. So it's something that, now, let me just finish this thing. Prophet David Yahweh. Hello? Somebody coming. If you have not shared the program, share it. Share the program. God bless you. Thank you.
Do you need a Wi-Fi light bulb CCTV camera that is perfect for recording both indoors and outdoors activities? With this CCTV camera, you can hear and talk back with your phone from anywhere you are in the world. It has auto track, two-way audio, motion detection, night vision, siren alarm, records videos and audio to memory card or cloud storage, sends phone notifications when motion is detected, rotates 360 degrees horizontally and 90 vertically.
Thank you. So pray for me. I want to be favored. The Almighty God favor you, Almighty Yeshua. If you're in Lagos, you join me on Saturday. Anywhere in the world, you can join me. Like I said, this year, I won't be doing much prayers online because of what? That it takes my time. Time I used to pray for 20 or 50 people. I used to be working on one person. So, there's nothing wrong with saying you see what we're talking about now? We're talking about somebody, one pastor, one evangelist, useless, a fake evangelist. Because as long as concerned, anybody that's under domination of Roman Catholic is fake. Anyone that is under Roman Catholic foundation is fake. That is it. You can't go, forget about whether you're a pastor or authority or you're not a fake. Because you're occultic is a set of such of Satan. So, sowing seed, paying tithe, giving money, nothing wrong with it. Doing spiritual work, nothing wrong with it. It's depends on what work for you. Now, if you meet a prophet that will ask you to pay money for you to do something for you if you're sure the person will do it for you and collect money? Is it not better for you to do it and go than that a man will deceive you? You come and spend 4-5 million naira without solution. You pay for hotel, you buy anointing oil, you come and be doing tithe, giving offering for 100 days. You leave your business. Some may even come back again, have problem going back to their country. Who is telling you the truth? My stand is this: anyone that use church people money to build a hotel, a pastor, a prophet, and sell it to a member, high price, and the poor people cannot enter that hotel is a thief. Anyone who use church people money to grow, now selling oil, 100,000, 50,000, 5,000, you know that poor people cannot buy it. Now when they have problem, they cannot see you. Now a man came to you. You just came once, you have money now, you say hotel is 500,000, the person pay. You now go and see the person as a prophet. Calculate it. Calculate it. Let's calculate for 500. They're reporting my page. They're reporting my page. They're reporting my page. They're reporting my God and spiritual solution to mankind. I'm here to introduce you, Brad Jesus. Because Jesus is from Middle Belt. Jesus is a Jewish. Do you know that gospel of Jesus is a Jewish gospel? It's not a Rome gospel. It's not a UK gospel. It's not a Mary gospel. It's a gospel of Africa. Bible is the history of Africa. Know that white man turned it upside down. There's many books that are in this book. Book of Thomas, book of Enoch, many books that are on this book. Because that's where they will reveal to you some hidden secrets. I read book of Thomas. That's why the secret of miracle is. How to do miracle. They remove it. Anything that will benefit Africa, they remove it. They will give you the one that will not benefit you. They will ask you to be a slave. So you obey the way they're killing you. You will not talk. I've come to talk. If you cannot talk, the Yahweh have come to speak. Anybody that say, I'm lying, so then me spiritual, don't call assassin for me. Don't use this thing for me. Because if you say I'm lying, take me to court with Bible backup to prove to me what I'm saying is not truth. So God bless you. I love you all. Shalom. My duty is to expose evil. My duty is to tell my truth. My duty is to serve Africa. I see the man, Prophet David Yahweh. I am the spiritual world. Jesus is a black man, never white. Mary is a black man, a black woman. It's not white. If you can prove to me that Jesus is a white man, come and take 50 million. If you can show me Sunday inside Bible, come and take 50 million. You can show me rosary inside Bible, come and take 50 million, because these are other gods. Stop bow down to grave image. Stop worshiping white Jesus and worshiping white Mary. If you still have that white Jesus in your picture, in your house, remove it and burn it. If you have to start to break it, I break my own long time ago. So please make sure you share this thing and tag all the pastors in the Africa, in the world, to know this is the stand. We have this 2024. We have come. This is a apostolic and prophetic revival, and coming with power like time of Jesus Christ. Black Jesus Christ of Nazareth. His name is called Yeshua. I love you all. Shalom. They're reporting my page. Please help me share this. I can't even share. They're reporting the